Hey everybody, this is Justin Browse, property manager for Saunders Realty. One of the questions I get asked a lot by new rental home owners is, what happens if my tenant stops paying rent? For us, we require our tenants to pay between the 1st and the 5th of each month. If they have not paid by the 6th, we assess a late fee. We're on the phone calling them, asking them when they're going to pay their rent. We're writing letters, trying to find out when they're going to be able to pay their rent. If they have not paid by the 10th, then we start the eviction process. The state of North Carolina says that you have to wait 10 days before you can file for eviction. It may seem fast to file for eviction after only 10 days, but because the eviction process can take up to a couple of months, we have to start that process as early as possible. So in the state of North Carolina, it takes about 2 months to evict a tenant. As long as they get caught up with the rent, we can cancel that eviction at any time. So if the tenant does not catch up, if they do not pay their rent and we have to continue to go through with the eviction, we meet a sheriff out at the house to either physically remove the tenant from the house or for them just to check to make sure that they have already moved out. So if the tenant has moved out, we do our best to get a property claim release signed from the tenant, relieving us of any responsibility of any items that are left in the house. At the time of the eviction, when the sheriff comes out, if there are any items left, we have to wait an additional 10 days for that tenant to be able to remove any belongings in the house.